Alright. Hello everybody. I have no idea if I'm on camera or not, but I'm here out with Benson and Brian. They've each got their badass off-road rigs. And we're just kind of gonna explore. We're going from one highway to the next, but over the dirt road passway. It's pretty cloudy and foggy right now, but we're kind of here for the drive, and if we find some cool stuff to fly, we're gonna fly it. But yeah, we're kind of just exploring. I think Benson's gonna take the lead. We got let me fix the exposure there. That's Brian's badass truck, and there is Benson in his Tacoma driving away into the dust. So we're gonna chase him down in my good old slow cruiser and see how it goes.
This is going to be a fun milestone for you then, because I think there's something special about starting on I-90 and getting all the way down to Greenwater.
Quick update, it's very dusty. As you can see, we are now in the valley, kind of cutting through the forest. I haven't wiped my windshields because it's just dust. But yeah, so far we're pretty much just driving, looking at the beautiful trees and foliage and oohing, eyeing. Yeah, it's pretty rad so far. There's a little creek down there. It's a beautiful day. I really don't have much else to say other than, get out there and explore, and it's really fun. And hopefully the next time I turn this camera on, I'll be flying somewhere. We're now headed up, going up and over another mountain. Here we go. All right, we are still going upwards. Well, it's getting a little bumpy. This is definitely the road less traveled. But this should take us to some really cool looking vistas, hopefully. All right, we are still going up, but now we're actually getting to a point where we can start seeing things around us. Let me wait till we get to a clearing or something so you can see out over this face edge. It's pretty beautiful. A little sketch. This road is a little sketch. I mean, look at this. Look at this. It looks like it just goes off into the cliff land. What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If you're scared of heights, don't come here.
It would be a significant amount of work to get out there for a recovery. There is it's actually the PCT crosses next to it, but no roads to get too close.
Quick little nature stop because it's cool. And look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. And of course, the trusty old cruiser doing its job. Brian over there taking pictures of his rig. Alright, let's keep going. Well, we've somehow managed to find a road even less traveled.
Log crossing.
Oh, that's a little sketch.
Like me to go out the box, what you're saying? I was fine. I'm worried about you.
Yeah, okay.
Looks like yours is okay.
About a little more if you want. That's about it. Straighten out. Go a little forward. Yeah, yeah. Now straighten out. There you go. Let's see if you fit. And kind of keep it going up that way. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, yeah. You're looking good, looking good. You're close, but it's all good. And I'd say keep it tilted.
How's the back look? Is it going up?
A little bit. As long as you stay that way, I think you'll be fine. Yeah, there you go. We've got an inch to spare. Okay. Yeah, start. I'd say go forward one more inch. Because it kind of has this lip up at the back of it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, now I'd say you can probably start turning. Yep. Oh, perfect. Yep, yep, yep. That was good. That was good. This is really turning into just a more 4x4 kind of off-road video than it is a quad video. Because we haven't actually flown much because we're having so much fun just driving around. But, yeah, you know, maybe we'll see some flying in this video. We'll see. Hey, look, forest. Right, here we go. Finally flying.
But she gone from me now. Well, you know that she's gone. 'Cause there ain't no one here now. So I can't live knowing this so far from me now. She knew I had a good lover. She made promises now.